Hi everybody, it's David Fleming here from the Toronto Realty Group and welcome to your April market update. Now the average home price in the city of Toronto increased a modest 1.2% month over month. Of course, if you got 12 months of those, that would be a really good year over year increase, but it's modest because we're looking at the massive 8% increase from January to February, which threw us all for a loop. Of course, 1.2% will seem small by comparison. Now year over year, we are up 1.3%, continuing that trend as we move into what we expect to be a very busy spring. Now the sales figures were interesting. Up 17% month over month. Of course, sales are going to be higher in March than in February, but that figure represents the second lowest in any month of March since 2002 when I started tracking this data. Now, year over year, sales are actually down from March of last year. That is absolutely shocking, and I have to think that is, of course, because of low inventory. Now, inventory is up, as you can see, new listings, 15.1% increase on a month-over-month basis. So, of course, they're up, but they're really not up that much because the new listings, of course, are the fourth fewest in the month of March since 2002. Now, new listings on a year-over-year basis, as you can see, up 15.1%. That is not a typo. It's the exact same figure as the month-over-month data. I checked it multiple times. There's absolutely no correlation there. It's simply a coincidence. Now, the active listings, here's where we see the relationship between sales and new listings. The active listings are up on a month-over-month basis, and they are going to be because, of course, the new listings are up at a higher rate than the sales. Now, the active listings are up 12.2% on a month-over-month basis, but up twice as much on a year-over-year basis, as you can see, up 23.1% since the same period in 2023. We are heading into what I expect to be an extremely busy second half of the spring market. Remember back at the start of the year, I said I felt that this year's market would be back-loaded. Now, we did have a very busy February and March, but that prediction holds true because I expect to see sales increase, listings increase, sales to new listings ratio will tighten a little bit, and if we do get, oh boy, interest rate cuts, I think that is really going to spur buyer activity. Check back here next month where I will go on record and predict a 2 to 3% increase in the average home price as we try to get an idea of whether or not in April, May, or June we will get anywhere close to the 2023 peak, which was just shy of $1.2 million in May of 2023.